This is my dog. I really love her and she is really beautiful. But today we are going to look at her from the other side. There are different levels of matter organization: object level, molecular level, atom level, subatom level, and according to the string theory, the string level. Therefore, universe is made out of strings, extremely small particles. So, what's the purpose of the whole string theory? Let's try to find out. As the official science says, everything can be divided into two parts: boson-made, which is interaction, and ferrion-made, which is tangible. Today we know four types of interaction: weak, electromagnetic, strong, and gravitational. One of the biggest problems of the modern science is to create a single physical theory able to describe both types of matter. But according to the supersymmetry principle, tangible matter and interaction are different manifestations of the same nature, therefore can be transformed into each other. That's why the string theory claims the name of the theory of everything. Let's then talk about the strings itself. They are extremely small particles of two types, open and closed, and are able to turn into each other, merge or divide. The function of current state of string is determined by mode or oscillation frequency. At one frequency it becomes photon, at another electron or graviton, etc. Everyone knows that we live at a free space and one temporal dimensional world. But for a normal functionality of the string theory, at least 6 more dimensions are needed. These extra dimensions are expected to be folded into the 6-dimensional Calabi-Yau spaces. The biggest headache of the string theory is to find out which one of the Calabi-Yau spaces is connected to our world, because now we know about 470,000 of their variations. This is a time diagram. Usually our time is equal to the time spent around. For us, there is no other timeline. But what if we could change it? Look, here we are faster than time, and here we are slower. Here we are aging, but the time goes backward. And this is what's happening to the Benjamin Button. The time is going forward, but he is going backward. Now we are not able to change our timeline, but the string theory is the key to this and many other possibilities.